By watching this video, you will learn how to leverage AI to achieve financial prosperity. AI has been a popular and incredibly helpful tool for many people over the years. If you're eager to make the most of AI's potential and explore how it can help you achieve financial success, we invite you to watch this video. We'll discuss exciting ways to leverage AI and its potential to enhance your journey to financial prosperity. Once again, thank you to all you Luxo lovers out there for your support. Your encouragement means the world to us. At Luxo-Life, our mission is to provide you with everything we can help you to succeed in all aspects of your life. So, we ask you to spread the love by liking, commenting, and sharing this video with others. By doing so, we can reach even more people and make a positive impact together. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss on any of our content. Thank you once again from the bottom of our hearts. In this video, we will delve into 3 crucial aspects of AI that will keep you on the edge and ensure you don't get left behind in the ever-evolving world of technology. To begin, they shed light on the AI revolution, a transformative force that's reshaping industries and societies. Unlike previous technological advancements such as the plow or the internet, which built upon existing tools, AI stands out because it has managed to productize something once exclusive to humans: skill. Because of tools like ChatGPT, AI is no longer the domain of the select few. It has been democratized, opening a world of possibilities for everyone. Regardless of your background or expertise, you can now harness AI to your advantage or detriment depending on the level of your skill. It's an exciting time, and the potential to create and innovate with AI knows no bounds. However, the challenge lies in our ability to ask the right questions. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, the skill of extracting valuable information from it becomes paramount. Those who possess the know-how to navigate and utilize AI will find themselves more valuable and empowered than ever before. While AI brings about tremendous opportunities, it also presents a set of unique challenges. How we govern AI and its implementation will play a significant role in shaping our future. The ethical, social, and economic implications of AI demand careful consideration, ensuring that it serves humanity's best interests and doesn't exacerbate existing disparities. Now let's discuss the impact of AI on the job market and how we can embrace this technological shift to thrive in our careers. While it's true that AI is bound to bring some job loss and redundancy in certain industries, it's crucial to recognize that it also presents countless opportunities for growth and success. The key to staying ahead lies in adaptation and leveraging AI to make ourselves more valuable. So, how can individuals use AI to increase their income and remain competitive in the job market? Let's explore 3 powerful ways. Number 1. Agency. With AI becoming an integral part of many businesses, individuals can tap into the power of AI tools and platforms to offer specialized services and solutions. By positioning yourself as an AI expert or consultant, you can assist businesses in harnessing the potential of AI to enhance their operations, customer experiences, and overall efficiency. This will not only make you an indispensable asset to companies, but also create new income streams. Number 2. Content creation. AI is transforming the way we create content. Whether it's writing articles, generating social media posts, or even crafting marketing materials, AI-powered tools like ChatGPT can be your creative companion. By mastering these tools, you can produce high-quality content at scale, freeing up time to focus on strategy and creativity, while still reaching and engaging with your audience effectively. Number 3. Online courses. As AI changes the landscape of education, there's a growing demand for courses that teach AI-related skills. Whether you're a business owner, educator, or an AI enthusiast, you can create online courses to share your knowledge and expertise. By providing valuable insights into AI, you can help others adapt to this evolving technological landscape and open up additional income streams. Incorporating AI into your business can be a game changer. By leveraging AI tools to automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and generate insights, you can save precious time and focus on strategic decision making. This work smarter, not harder approach allows you to work on your business rather than getting bogged down in day-to-day operations. Moreover, AI can serve as an invaluable source of inspiration and ideation. By feeding AI systems with relevant data, you can receive fresh ideas and creative suggestions that fuel innovation within your business. As we navigate the AI-driven future, it's essential to remember that technological advancements have always disrupted industries, but they also create new opportunities. Embrace AI as a complementary tool that enhances your skill set and amplifies your capabilities. Additionally, let's highlight the significance of seizing opportunities and addressing the common barriers that prevent individuals from embracing AI to its fullest potential. In this ever-evolving technological landscape, it's crucial to act decisively and make the most of the opportunities while they're still available, for they may not last forever. When it comes to AI, it's easy to fall into a trap of complacency or hesitation. Some may think that AI is still a distant concept, or they might feel overwhelmed by the idea of integrating it into their business. However, this hesitancy can lead to missed chances for growth and transformation. As we've seen earlier, AI has already begun to revolutionize various industries, and its impact is only expected to grow. Those who embrace AI early on gain a significant advantage over their competitors. They can streamline their processes, optimize decision-making, and deliver exceptional customer experiences that set them apart from the rest. One common obstacle that prevents individuals from fully utilizing AI tools is the perception of laziness or resistance to change. Some may be reluctant to explore AI technologies because they fear that it will replace their efforts or make them complacent. However, this misconception overlooks the true potential of AI. It's not about encouraging laziness, but rather empowering us to work smarter and more efficiently. By embracing AI, individuals can delegate repetitive and time-consuming tasks to machines, freeing up their time and energy to focus on higher-value activities. This, in turn, allows for greater creativity, innovation, and strategic thinking. AI becomes a valuable ally, not a replacement for human effort, helping us become more productive and effective in our pursuits. Moreover, fostering a growth mindset is essential when incorporating AI into our businesses. Embracing continuous learning and staying updated on the latest AI developments will enable us to stay at the forefront of innovation. There are various resources available, from online courses to communities of AI enthusiasts, which can help us stay informed and confident in our AI journey. It's important to recognize that AI is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each business is unique, and the integration of AI should be tailored to suit its specific needs and objectives. Starting small, experimenting with AI tools, and gradually scaling up can provide a low-risk approach for businesses to get started and build confidence. Lastly, AI is undoubtedly a game-changer for consultants and coaches, revolutionizing the way they operate and enhancing their efficiency and effectiveness. Tools like Microsoft's Copilot have made significant strides in supporting consultants in various aspects of their work. With AI by their side, consultants can unlock a world of possibilities and streamline time-consuming tasks, allowing them to focus on building meaningful relationships with their clients. Imagine this: you have a client meeting, and within minutes, AI has transcribed your notes from previous sessions, analyzed data to identify trends and insights, and created a compelling PowerPoint presentation tailored to your client's specific needs and branding. What once took hours or even days of preparation can now be accomplished with remarkable speed and precision. By leveraging AI in this manner, consultants can elevate the overall client experience, showcasing a deep understanding of their needs and preferences. The ability to deliver personalized, data-driven insights in real time establishes a strong foundation for building trust and rapport with clients. After all, the essence of consulting lies in forging meaningful connections and offering expert guidance to clients on their unique journeys. However, it's essential to recognize that AI is not a substitute for the invaluable human touch. While it can be a powerful ally, it cannot replicate the empathy, emotional intelligence, and personal touch that consultants bring to their interactions. These human qualities are what truly differentiate consultants and coaches, making them trusted advisors who can understand and address their clients' challenges on a deeper level. As AI continues to evolve and become more accessible, the barriers to entry for using it in business has indeed become low. Consultants and coaches have an unprecedented opportunity to embrace this technology and harness its potential to enhance their offerings. By adopting AI, they can optimize their processes, improve decision-making, and provide more value to their clients, all while freeing up time to focus on what truly matters, nurturing relationships and delivering exceptional results. Here at Luxo-Life, we believe in empowering our Luxo lovers to seize these opportunities and embrace AI as their best friend in their consulting and coaching endeavors. As a community, we encourage collaboration, knowledge sharing, and continuous learning, ensuring that every member can harness the full potential of AI in their respective fields. In conclusion, the rise of AI presents tremendous opportunities and challenges across various aspects of our lives. As AI becomes increasingly accessible and integrated into our businesses, we must proactively embrace its potential to stay competitive and seize new opportunities. From using AI to enhance creativity, optimize processes, and streamline decision-making, to leveraging it as a consultant's best friend, the possibilities are vast. However, let's remember that while AI can automate tasks and provide valuable insights, its true power lies in complementing the unique human qualities of empathy, creativity, and relationship building. As Luxo lovers, let's cultivate a growth mindset, foster collaboration, and stay informed about the evolving AI landscape to ensure we navigate this technological revolution with confidence and compassion. By harnessing AI's capabilities and coupling them with our inherent human brilliance, we can build a brighter future that transcends limitations, empowers us to thrive, and positively impacts the world we live in. Together, we embark on a transformative journey where AI and human ingenuity unite to shape a world of endless possibilities and prosperity. And that's a wrap, Luxo lovers. We sincerely hope you found our discussion on how to leverage AI for financial success enjoyable and insightful. If you enjoyed this content, we'd love to see your support through likes, comments, and sharing with others. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on more exciting content coming your way. At Luxo-Life, we're dedicated to bringing you the best, empowering you to thrive in this ever-changing world. Thank you for being a part of our community, and see you in the next video.